we've got ULEFONE Power 3S, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then go to the settings. Now locate and open languages and input, and now click on the first tab, which is languages. By tapping on add language, you can open the whole list of languages. You can pick the one that you would like to apply, so it's up to you, whichever you want to have. And let me pick Portuguese, then select the region. We can choose Brazil, and now you have to slide it up to the first place. Just hold it for a while and then drag it here, and as you can see, now we are in Portuguese. So the whole device now is in Portuguese. You can smoothly use your phone in the preferred language, and then whenever, let me refresh it. Okay, so here it is. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just select languages and input languages, and you can either remove unnecessary language by tapping on more, then tap on remove, mark unnecessary languages and click on bin, or you can add another language the same way as previously we added Portuguese. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.